Hey guys, welcome to another exciting edition of ChiefTutor.com's training videos in Chief Architect. Today we're going to be looking at the fun new tools with X18. Man, I love this new version X18. It's got a lot to offer. It's really nice, powerful program. One of the greatest little things that come with this version is they now have a scanner. So you can scan your own rooms and do your own as-builds with a built-in free app with Chief Architect. And you'll just cruise on over to ChiefArchitect.com and they have the little show and tell on how you can scan. And you got to have iPad or an iPhone, one of the devices with a LiDAR detector. So the latest iPhones and the latest iPads have all had those for years now. So it's a real easy device to use. I use it myself. I've been using it for years. And I typically use a third-party program to scan my jobs. So I was really thrilled when I heard Chief came out with their own. And it's not too bad. You go to the house, you scan it, and it scans all the walls, windows, and doors, and then puts it in a model for you instantly so you can start manipulating it quickly. Now, that's some of the problems with those other third-party apps is you would use the app like I've been using a thing called Canvas for a long time. They now changed to the name Twindo. Same company though, same product. And basically they produce a chief architect file with that scan. You go into the house, you scan the whole thing, walls, windows, and doors. And when they send you the file, it's usually 2 or 3 weeks that it takes them to send it. But once it comes over, it's got cabinets, lighting, it's got where the light switches are. I mean, it puts in everything. So the Chief app just does walls, windows, and doors. It doesn't do the whole thing. So but actually that's kind of neat. I mean, I prefer that because I want to put in my own stuff here and there. So, you just have to play around with it and try. Once you've scanned it with Chief Architect, the Home Designer Pro or the Chief Architect program, in order to put it in, what you want to do is start a new plan. So just like typically before, and we're going to call this one like scan, let's call it. So we'll scan in. It's just a blank plan. You'll notice you'll be able to go to File and Import, and then you can import the new Chief Architect As-Built plan once you've signed up, download the app, and then scanned your first house. So here's one I've done recently, and I'll pop it open and let's take a look. This is kind of where their kitchen was, and this wall is actually straight. So I noticed Chief made a big mistake there. It didn't quite understand what was going on there. And then this is the front door, and the front door was centered on this wall. So you can see the dimensions aren't exactly 100%. So you want to take your time and still measure the house and scan it and find for yourself what works and not. So here's a particular example, like the front door had 9'6" across in the scan with the Chief Architect app. But if I go and I open up the actual plan that I scanned myself and measured myself, we can look and see that it was close at 9'2". So like in the back family room here, let's take a look. That was 21.9. So going back to the back family room it has here, it has it at 21.8. So it's not 100%, guys. You definitely want to double check that until you get comfortable. But what the exciting thing is with Chief, this is their very first launch of it. So I figure version 2, version 3 is really going to get better, quicker, and faster, which is nice. So those third-party apps that cost anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to scan and send you a Chief Architect file. Now Chief has given you that option totally free as part of the service. So we love it. We love what you're doing, Chief. Keep it up. That scanner is just awesome. And I can't wait to see what's next. Thanks so much for watching and talk to you soon.